private proxies offer a great way to enhance your online privacy and overall security. As we already know, a proxy server acts as a filter that keeps your IP address, location, and other sensitive data protected. At the same time, it allows you to explore everything the internet has to offer. What makes private proxies stand out? How can you use them? How good are they at protecting your privacy? Hi, I'm Jake, and today we'll answer these questions and more. We can categorize proxy servers in several ways, and one of them is exclusivity. We have public proxies, shared proxies, and private proxies. We compared them in one of our previous videos, so check it out if you want to learn more. So, we know private proxies are highly secure. Since only you have access to them, your sensitive data stays private and your online activity can't be traced back to you. You can get a private proxy in any location to avoid geo-restrictions for content you want to access and enjoy high speeds and unlimited bandwidth. In other words, you get the best of the best. Both businesses and individuals can take advantages of private proxies in several ways. Companies often use private proxies for web scraping, ad verification, SEO research, and similar data gathering purposes. The reason is simple. These IPs have the highest possible trust scores. Unlike shared proxies, private proxies have no negative history. They offer the highest success rates, so the process is fast, efficient, and anonymous. Homeowners can also benefit from private proxies in several ways. There's no better option for browsing, streaming, gaming, or avoiding geo-restrictions. Since they're so fast and usually have unlimited bandwidth, you can use them for even the most demanding online tasks, while also keeping your activity safe from tracking and monitoring. There's one thing to keep in mind though. To make sure your private proxy is really private, you need to choose a reliable provider. If you're looking for cost-efficient, premium private proxies that put your privacy above all else, visit our website. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, don't forget to give us a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Finally, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming video about HTTP proxies. See you soon!